Lisa, if the Bible has taught us nothing else, and it hasn't, it's that girls should stick to girls' sports, such as hot oil wrestling, foxy boxing, and such.
I think women should be able to play any sport men play, but hockey is so violent and dangerous. Look at Milhouse's teeth.
Mom, will you stop showing us those?
I have to join the team or I'll get an F that will haunt me for the rest of my life.
I now pronounce you President of these United...
Stop the inauguration. I just discovered a president-elect got it up in second-grade gym class.
In that case, I sentence you to a lifetime of horror on Monster Island. Don't worry, it's just a name.
He said it was just a name.
What he meant is that Monster Island is actually a peninsula.
Do you have my teeth?
No. Watch out for the shack attack.
Ow!
I told you to watch out.